Good afternoon, children. Today I am going to discuss about how we will write number system. I have already discussed what is number system. So there are two types. One is Hindu Arabic system of numeration and second one is international number system. Please look at the table for Hindu Arabic number system. There are three uh, rows. First one is periods, second one is places, and last one is digits in the number. The periods row consists of four individual columns, that is crores, lakhs, thousands, and ones. The one column consists of three multiple rows. One for ones position, second one is tens places, and third one is hundred places. Now the thousands column consists of two parts. One is thousands, another one is 10,000s. Next, the lakhs column consists of two parts. One is lakhs and one is 10 lakhs. And the last one, crores, consists of two parts, that is 10 crores and crores. So, one's position or one's period consists of three digits. Okay, it will take three digits. Thousands also will take two digits. Lakhs will take two digits and crores also will take two digits. Now, see 9999999. This is the largest 8 digits number. Okay, 9999999. This is the largest 8 digit number. If we add 1 with this, we will get 10000000. This is the smallest 9 digits number. Okay, so how we will write this number? 10 comma 00 comma 00 comma 000. As we know, the periods for ones will take 3 digits, periods for thousands will take 2 digits, periods for lakhs will take 2 digits, and periods for crores will take 2 digits. So we will divide each periods by comma. So how you will read this number? You will read this number as 10 crore. Now see another example. Where is the digits are 7, 6, 5, 9, 0, 2, 1, 0. So how you will write this number? You will write 7, comma, 6, 5, comma, 9, 0, comma, 2, 1, 0. How you will read this? It will be 7 crore 65 lakhs 90,210. So this is the concept of writing and reading a Hindu Arabic numeration. Now look at another types of number system, that is international number system. Look at the table. It also consists of periods, and the periods consist of millions, thousands, ones. Now ones period contains three multiple parts, one for ones, another tens, and last one is 100. Now thousands period will consist three parts, one for thousands position, next 10,000s, and last one is 100,000. You can see last one is 100,000. Now the last part is millions, which consists of three parts: millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So once period will take 3 digits, thousands period will take 3 digits, and millions will take 3 digits. Now please check how we will write and read any international number. Before that, see, there is an example where greatest 7-digit number is placed, which is 999999. Now if we add 1 with this number, you will get smallest 8-digit number, which is 10000000. So how you will read this? This is the 10 million. Please see the if we write like this 10, 000, 000, 000, we will get 10 million. So look at this example where an example is given: 36721,394. How we will write? 36, 721, 394. As we know, ones position will take 3 digits, thousands position will take 3 digits, and millions position will take 3 digits. So how you will read this? 36,721,394. Okay, so this is the way to writing and reading any types of international number. Just follow the table and arrange the numbers accordingly and write the number according to the position. Okay, thank you.